Peace to my beautiful Cosmiq Soul family. I'm the Cosmiq Soul Plug, and I want to extend a warm welcome for those of you who are new to the channel, and a welcome back to all my returners. Now, I have no intentions of staying for a prolonged period of time today, so I'll try not to keep you for too long, okay? I'm going to try to use the KISS method again. Now, today I'll be covering just what the title says, and that's the power the zero carries in numerology. Also, just like other numbers, you will find zeros in birthday numbers as well as other numbers that are located in your core profile to reducing down to the root number. Now, what makes the zero important is it actually amplifies in vibration. The most simple way to understand zero, which is also known as the cipher, is to envision holding a mirror up to the number it follows. What you can expect is it will amplify and exaggerate the traits, which immensely intensifies its energy. A prime example of which can be if you're born on the 30th, the zero will elevate all the traits of the three, no matter if it's good or bad, okay? Lastly, your sensitivity and need to be a people's pleaser can be really strong. Also, you may suffer to, certain food allergies, or you may even have skin issues due to sensitivity. And you may even find it hard to stand up for yourself. Okay? So, as I've stated, I didn't want to keep you very long today using the KISS method again, but I know if the goal is to learn more about your birth charts, then no stone should be left unturned, because just like the old saying goes, the more you know, the more you grow, right? So once again, I'm the Cosmiq Soul Plug. And if you like or love the content that I've been sharing on this channel, please feel free to hit that like button and also leave a positive comment if you wish. And a new sub will hit the spot too. And if you decide to subscribe to the channel, click on the notification bell so that you'll be one of the first to tune in to newly content that I post, okay? Also, on that note, I'll see my beautiful Cosmiq Soul Tribe on another video. Peace, love, and light to you all. Ase family. See you later.